Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily draw anyone. Like you can see, I have a famous actress here. I'm going to tell you easy step how you can make anyone. So as I can see right now, the shape of her head, it's and the angle of her head as well. So you can see it's in the angle like this. So draw a line, a very light line, in angle like this, and also measure that how long is her head. So if you put your the tip of your pencil at her chin, so you can see that her head is almost of this size. So you have to make sure that you get the correct rough line for her head. So I can see it's ending here, so I can increase it to here. Be gentle. Don't you try to make it hard. Only do light line. Okay, so don't make it hard. So after that, you have to check out where her nose drop down in her headline. So I can see it's like approximately here. So here is her nose. So it's a rough nose. Okay, so after that we have to see the angle. uh, so here, now her lips, you can see that here her lips are. So here, all right, so now we have to check out how from where we can draw her eyes. So from nose you can see its distance, approximately like this. Okay, so here eye number one, and check the distance. Okay, this much distance, and here eye number two. Alright, so now you can see I have made rough one, but it's still looking real. So now we have to uh, headline and mark out the face, and just like make both hairs and face separate. So now it's time to make hairs. Okay, so look, it's easy. And for her chin, same distance policy. You can see you can make her chin here, and look, it's here. Now for the ear, you can see that the lower part of the ear is starting from the lower part of the nose, so ears is standing from here. So here we made the ear. So for the remaining part of hairs, let's try. And then again, do make mark these things, do draw these things very light. Don't draw it too hard, so like it will be easier for you to erase it and like make it more better. But if you have done anything hard like this, then it won't be possible for you. So be light on pencil and be gentle. So you can see I have separated the head and hairs. Now let's draw some hairs and stay on the photo. Don't go too much imaginary. Like just stay with the photo. Don't put like irrelevant things. You can see her hairs, so be realistic. Okay, so you can check out our eyebrow. It's starting from here. Which part of the nose? I can see this one, like so. Here is her eyebrow, and her second eyebrow isn't complete, so just make like this. Right, so to verify that your the eyes that you made are aligned, check out by check out check out by like this line procedure. If if this is straight, that means that your eyes are perfect. All right, so as we have seen, the eyes are really perfect. Alright, so now we will move forward with. Okay, let's make her neck. She has a really pretty neck, so we will start from here to her shoulder. Here. Okay, so it's pretty much done. Let's make some more hairs and some hairs here. Okay. Right, so it's pretty much done now. Now you can just match both of the photos, and you can see that mine is looking more realistic. So even though you think your photo is it's okay now, still match out the photos and think the improvements that you can do. And as I can see, the improvement I need is I forgot to make this line. So now it's done, and yeah, it's almost done. It's a check shirt, so let's randomly make things like this. So I don't think so she needs anything more. She's pretty, and I made her really good. I will post this on Instagram and I will tag her. Hopefully she will share this with friends. So this is one of the demo how you can create someone very easily. As you can check out the time, I made this within 10 minutes. So it's pretty easy. But just the thing that you need to do is like don't be afraid. Just try your best. Put the photo that you want to make along with the paper, and try your best. It isn't that much hard. And also always follow the rules that I told you, the line rules, and how you're gonna draw the eyes in the same alignment and the nose. So if you will follow these, it won't be a difficult task for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to learn more about drawing, please do subscribe and like this video and share with your friends, and I will upload another one very soon. Thank you.